Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today my tutorial how to make centerpieces for birthday parties. I think this additional decoration will give your party an extra touch. You can make it in any theme and add any characters. I bought this cute basket at Dollar Tree store. You can use any styles or colors. Just take what will suit your project the best. Then I take a paper and crumble it into a ball. Then put it inside the basket. Next step, I added shred paper, also from Dollar Tree. I made decor for popular Russian cartoon Luntik, or English equivalent is Moonzy. So I decided to make daisies and ladybug and also add main characters. To make the design and then print and cut my images, I use my cutting machine Cricut. If you want to repeat daisies and ladybugs, here are the numbers in the Cricut library. If you don't have the Cricut, you can try to cut them by hand. For my topper, I use bamboo skewers. For extra charm, I took a straw ribbon and tied it in a bow. Then fixed the ribbon with a hot glue. So that's it for this project. Subscribe to my channel and happy crafting!